Message of the Day by Archangel Raphael. Dear beings of light, today I, Archangel Raphael, bearer of divine healing, come to remind you of the importance of caring for your spiritual, emotional, and physical well-being. In these times of constant change and often unexpected challenges, it is crucial not only to attend to the needs of the body, but also to nourish the soul and spirit. I urge you to seek moments of stillness in your day. In silence, you find the gateway to renewal and clarity. It is in these moments of calm that healing begins, not only mending visible wounds, but also those hidden deep within your being. Remember, beloved ones, my healing energies are always available to you. You only need to invoke me with a sincere and open heart. Allow me to help you restore balance and harmony in all areas of your life. I can dispel the shadows of pain and fear, illuminating your path toward peace and happiness. Do not underestimate the power of gratitude and faith. Cultivating a grateful spirit can transform your DNA fibers, attracting more blessings and light into your existence. Each day brings a new opportunity to grow, learn, and advance on your path. So today, I encourage you to embrace each experience as an opportunity to apply the wisdom you have accumulated and to practice unconditional love, starting with yourself. Care for your temple, listen to your intuition, and trust that each step you take is guided by the divine light. With love and healing blessings, I am Archangel Raphael. Healing Decree with Archangel Raphael. In the divine light and with the eternal love of the universe, I invoke the presence of Archangel Raphael, the celestial healer and guide of all souls seeking healing and peace. Beloved Archangel Raphael, you who are the bearer of the healing emerald flame, come to me now. Surround my being with your radiant green light, imbuing me with health and vitality. I ask that your healing energy flow through every cell of my body, every fiber of my being, restoring and harmonizing everything to its original state of perfection. With every breath I take, I visualize your divine light filling every part of me, dissolving all illness, pain, and discord. With each exhalation, I release any negative energy, worry, and fear, allowing complete healing to manifest in my body, mind, and spirit. Archangel Raphael, assist all those who need your healing intervention at this moment. May your presence provide comfort and strength, and may your guidance illuminate the path to recovery and well-being. Through your grace, I allow healing to not only act in me, but also in all those who need it. I declare that I am willing to receive your healing, and I am open to the wonders of divine transformation. May health and well-being be restored, and may harmony reign within and around me. I thank you for your unconditional love and your perpetual dedication to our healing. I trust fully in your power, knowing that in this act of faith, healing is already on its way. So be it, and so it is. Amen. What a wonderful message from Archangel Raphael. I wish you an excellent day and a week full of beautiful miracles. Sending a big hug to your being, I am Zoe. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care deeply for you. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.